I've seen this LaurieWired video, but it's a bunch of jiggery pokery. But anyway, she says this at the end of it. Watch.
I've done a lot of research into this topic, and no public documentation exists for it, so I genuinely do think that Tailslayer is a new methodology. Or if by any chance some company happens to be using it.
Okay, so this is not a new methodology at all. Dude, there's been motherfuckers on Stack Overflow for the past 13 years asking about using multiple cores to access RAM at the same location. There's one using threads. There's a shit ton of these, really. Came out, I think in 2013, the Tail at Scale. There's been researchers and programmers, and I was looking at this professor, dude, he's cool as shit. This ain't a new methodology at all. This shit's been people don't talk about it because it's fucking because the cons outweigh the pros. I don't know if you guys remember this one, the infamous memory article by Ulrich Drepper, the Red Hat developer from way back in the day. I mean, by her saying that it's a new methodology, she's basically implying that all these motherfuckers, all these researchers that wrote these papers, and this programmer, they never thought about doing that. And all the systems levels, the designers and shit. Like, bro, it's fucking nuts to think that. Also, that example, like, oh, the HFT training strategies can't fit inside of the L3 cache. That's bullshit, dude. Also, on Hacker News, a couple days ago, they posted the GitHub to it in the video, and this jeffbee guy responded, and he got fucking sent through the ringer from the mods and shit because he said some stuff where he was trying to be, I guess he was rude or whatever, but all of his comments got deleted. One is crazy that it got deleted. I won't be tone policed by a person who is clearly trying to mislead and confuse people. I'll leave it to other hacker newsers, HNers, to read your benchmark code and see for themselves that it is an exercise in absurdity. Okay, and then a couple days later, he posted in another thread down here. Let me go to it. Let's see. Okay, so he says it is not only not practical, it is a completely useless technique. I got downvoted to negative infinity for mentioning this, but I guess I'm the only person who actually read the benchmark and read the code, blah blah blah. The reason this technique works in the benchmark, blah blah blah. And then the fucking mod they hate this motherfucker. Bro, this jeffbee guy is on a roll. Okay, there are already systems that do this in hardware. Any system that has memory mirroring RAS features can do this, notably the IBM Z Enterprise hardware. That's what he said in his previous post. You know, the company that this video promoter claims to be one-upping. Dude, this dude is so fucking... This dude's crazy. I like him. Dude, all they do is complain about him. The next comment by jeffbee is also quite rude. Blah blah blah. Dude, you search rude on here, that's all they fucking do is complain. It was unnecessarily rude. Dude, fuck off, man. They just censor anything. Clickbait title, resource wasting solution. It's a nice POC, but nothing more. Man, that shit got downvoted.